What's going on, y'all? I know it's been a minute since I done did a video. I've been pretty much busy with life, work, and been messing around with the car and everything. Pretty much I'm gonna be going off the top of my head, things that I've been doing to the car or things that I've done to the car since I got it, give y'all some information, things that I've been finding out about the car, what's been done to it previously before I got it. Uh, you know, just let y'all know what's been going on. Yeah. So I got the car. It had just under 32,000 miles on it. The motor had about 18,000 miles on it. So what I found out recently, about a month ago, that the car has 305 heads on it. A little bit before that, I found out that this is a 88 350 from a pickup. And the original owner, the car was a V6. He bought it for his daughter. He got it back from her, swapped the engine over, put 305 heads on it. Not sure exactly what the valve sizes are, but it should still be at least 10-to-1 compression, because the 305 heads, I want to say they are slightly bigger than the 350 heads. Pretty much, I got the car, and in some of my previous videos, you'll see that I've been messing around with it, doing work on it and everything. I got the car. Pretty much the first thing I did was minor. Electric fuel pump in the back, and that fuel cell right there that I was supposed to have been got rid of, put a new fuel tank in, but I'm not really worried about that right now. I did the brakes. I changed the front rotor, and I never actually showed it in the video, I believe. These are power stop drilled and slotted rotors. I think ZZ23. And you will be able to see them better whenever I get new wheels. Then I did the cam swap. Thumper cam, as y'all should know. The car came with these hooker headers, short tubes. This is a WAN stealth intake. 2001 was when this particular one was made. This specific one. Ryan Star throttle cable bracket. About 2 months ago, I just put on this 1-inch 4-hole tapered spacer, and that smoothed out my owl and everything a lot better. Airflow is a lot better. And this is a mini velocity stack base. I forgot the name of the company that makes them, but I got it off Amazon for like $80, I believe. 4-inch cowl hood. So I got the hood. I think I may have showed a video when I had got the hood and everything. But with this whole situation right here, the air cleaner, this was before I even got this base. Think I had bought like air filter or air cleaner riser kit, and pretty much it wasn't sitting right, so I had to take a hammer and bang in the hood a little bit, and it's still kind of pushing the air cleaner to the side whenever I close the hood, but it's not really that big of a deal. I'll probably take it to a shop and get this cut out some, or beat that in so it'll fit better. Y'all seen the headlights before. I got these off Amazon maybe 4 or 5 months ago, and last month I got these side marker lenses off eBay. Earlier this, it was last year. No, I think it was early this year. No, it was last year. I got these badges put on, did them myself. I gotta clean up the car. I don't really worry about it since the paint job ain't the prettiest. I forgot the name of this piece right here, but I'll put it up on the screen whenever I remember the name of it. Wonder Bar, yes. Got this Wonder Bar put in maybe 3-4 months ago. And you know, of course, this is supposed to help out with the steering. It relieves stress from the steering box. Power steering pump, I need to replace that. This is a AC bracket. I bought a sanding style air compressor, but I need to get a retrofit kit in order to get that installed in here. It started to get cool a little bit after I bought it, so I didn't worry about it. I got these dual fans off eBay. I paid like maybe $140, $180 for this radiator with the dual fans. It's 3-core radiator, aluminum, and I got them wired to these relays right here. It's not the prettiest, but whenever I do switch to the AF, I should be able to eliminate some of this stuff. I do need to clean up all the wiring and everything. See, all this stuff was done before I got the car. I got this Jegs distributor. I bought this last year when I got the car running again, and it's a 65,000 volt coil. And these are high performance spark plug wires. Yeah, they're dirty from oil leaks and everything. And I have XL header plugs, and they're gapped to 50 thousandths. Since you know, got good ignition and everything. This, you know, your typical Holly 650 double pumper. Pretty much stock for the most part. I got Thompson power blast plates on there. That's supposed to help with fuel atomization. And I have just 2 days ago, I just put on some 31,000 discharge nozzles on the carburetor. And this right here is pretty much a mini velocity base air cleaner. Pretty much on the inside of the cleaner. If I can get this off, the base is flat, so that the airflow is not coming in and being interrupted. It's coming out, so the air comes in, it's strictly flat, and then it just rolls on in, instead of the drop base where it kind of has to go up and then around and down. There were the power blast plates with the new squirters, but instead of the fuel just coming out as like a single stream, it kind of rolls out on the inside. It the fuel comes out, and then it hits the inside of the plate, and it just kind of, you know, spreads out as it kind of would if it was to hit the booster. But instead of it hitting the booster then spreading out, it spreads out off the plate. So on my interior, I got this little shift A pillar and the wideband O2 gauge. Excuse me. And with my cam, you know, since it's I don't know if this cam you would call it a radical cam, but with the cam, you know, my AFR tends to bounce around a lot. So what I'll probably wind up doing is giving it more fuel, because sitting at idle and sometimes part throttle, my it'll be a little lean. So I'll probably fatten up the fuel a little bit, try to keep it closer to 14 to 7 as much as possible. I will be getting a new radio with a GPS next year. It's supposed to have been got that, and I actually had put some glue on here, and I tried to put it on this bezel, if I can find where it is, wherever it's at. but it really didn't last long, so that's why it looks like this. I just haven't been worrying about it and just let the radio sit there like that. My Holly Red electric fuel pump, this was pretty much put in when I first got the car. I didn't do it, but it's been working fine, so I didn't bother about moving it. And I'm running fuel from this fuel cell. I know, it's kind of unsafe, but it's bolted down, and if I need to, I can always put some straps in here and run it back here. I've done that before, but I had to remove those straps to use them elsewhere. But it doesn't really slide around anywhere or anything, so I'm not really worried about it. But eventually I will get to dropping the tank and put a new tank in there and try to get a sump put on it. Then I can get rid of this fuel tank, and I will move that fuel pump and put it on the outside of the car. I have some things in the garage that I'm about to get put on the car not next week. It will actually be in the next few days. So let me run to the garage and go show you what I got. Garage is a little messy. A little like the word. That's my compressor. Not that. I got this throttle valve. Really don't need to get that put on. When I was having issues with my throttle cable, somebody said the throttle valve could be a problem. I got this Sonex 730 governor for the 700R4. It really don't feel like unpacking it. I actually haven't unpacked it since I got it. But I've been sitting on some of these parts for a few months now. This will be going in later on this week if my plans don't change. Along with this Corvette servo. I'm not gonna pull the whole thing out. This is a Cyclone Corvette servo. Got a B&M shift kit. I'm gonna get these stage 2 put on. I may not get that put on this week, but as far as the governor, the servo, and I have this LTI 2800 stall that I'll be getting put in as well. I got a new torque converter lockup kit, as I'm not sure if my current lockup kit is going bad, but my torque converter be hunting in overdrive. If I if I'm driving around 35 miles an hour, that's pretty much when overdrive kicks in. And if I'm anywhere around that range, it's going in and out of overdrive. So I'll probably get a new lockup kit put on with the new style converter. And I got a new TV cable that I may or may not get put on. I'll probably go ahead and get it put on just to be on the safe side. And I bought some new headers, but Summit sent me, they sent the wrong pair, and I already started to beat on them, try to make them fit, still wouldn't fit. And since I put the hammer to it, they wouldn't, take it back. So I wasted like $200 something for that. This is a Flowmaster muffler that somebody actually gave me for free a few months ago. He got rid of his car, and he just gave me some of this old stuff. I'm probably not gonna wind up putting it on because I plan on going true duals. And right now, my exhaust is cut open, no white pipe anymore, and I'm running got the O2 sensor in there. Right before the flex 18-inch flex pipe. But that's pretty much everything in a nutshell that I've pretty much done to the car and what I'm about to get done, hopefully in the next couple of days. So my driving, shifting, acceleration, everything, all that will be faster and smoother. And I'll show y'all kind of, what it looks like, how it's doing and everything. I almost forgot that I got this vacuum reservoir put in. It's not in the, most logical location, but hey, it worked. It's secure. And the car is not the prettiest, but hey, she's mine. Gets me where I need to be, point A, point B. Video a little longer than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm trying to remember everything off the top of my head, what I did. I didn't really plan out this video or anything like that. Didn't make a list or anything, didn't rehearse it or whatever, but hopefully by the end of this week I have everything done to the car that I need done to it, and I'll give y'all some video clips and everything, and then y'all get to see how she doing.